Say the state is at a tipping point and that the lessons learned from the historic Los Angeles wildfires entail more needs for wildfire prevention.
California has a problem. This is the luck of the Irish day. Well, our luck has run out.
California Senate Republicans Tuesday afternoon introduced their wildfire risk reduction and insurance affordability package.
We'd like to work with our Democratic colleagues to condense, combine, but to bring real solutions to Californians.
A big emphasis on wildfire prevention, especially by homeowners themselves, to create more defensible space, the buffer between a structure and the surrounding area.
That gives us the opportunity to get in and hopefully control the fires and push them around the homes and not burn down.
For our residents, now is the time to act. Clear your defensible space. Harden your homes.
Several bills seek to incentivize homeowners to do just that. Senator Maria Alvarado-Gil is proposing state income tax credits for those who make their homes more fire safe, like through fire-resistant roofing, ember-resistant vents, and defensible space.
Making it much more affordable to reduce ignition risk, which are often coupled with insurance discounts.
If a home is quote-unquote hardened, they say that can help with insurance too, which has been a key concern as major insurers like State Farm pull out of California, and even the FAIR plan, California's insurer of last resort, is underwater and seeking major premium increases amid a surge in demand.
Also help to build household resilience without relying solely on strayed utility grids.
Alvarado-Gil is also proposing tax credits for those that have backup power systems like a generator or solar battery, and for the California Department of Forestry and Fire Protection, CAL FIRE, to prioritize areas with high insurance costs due to higher wildfire risk.
I think if they know that there's going to be available, robust, affordable insurance on the back end, that will create a whole other incentive structure to encourage people to do that work in hardening their homes.
See, even this is bipartisan, and there's just so many of the same topics being thrown around.
We know we're in this together. We need to work together.
And so Democratic State Senator Ben Allen is behind two of the Republican bills, one that would give state income tax credits on payments to repair or rebuild homes, and one that would require state agencies to routinely identify regulations that can be suspended post-disaster to expedite the rebuilding process.
The family needs to be able to rebuild.
We asked Governor Newsom about the Republican proposals and where bipartisanship is possible. His office declined to comment on pending legislation, but said he's invested in wildfire risk reduction like forest management and has worked to stabilize home insurance, though many still say with that increased wildfire risk, they no longer qualify for or can't afford insurance. Jenny Hutt, News 8.